Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alapis Corner, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful cornrow wig. Yeah, so sit, relax and enjoy the video. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome, and if you're just seeing my video for the very first time, please, you're very much welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down below. So enjoy the video and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you. So guys, we are almost at the end of this video. So this is me plating the tiny cornrows that I've made on the full lace cap. So I'm going to be using my attachments and to plait 4 big cornrows on it or back. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please comment it down below. If you're going to be trying out this style, let me know in the comment section. Please, if you have not liked, please like my video, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you for watching my video. I say thank you. Thank you. So thank you very much for all my returning subscriber and also the new subscribers that I just got. I'm really grateful. I am so happy. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for all the comments that you have been commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Stay blessed. Thank you. Bye.